Deep in a frozen country, at the far end of the earth, there's an ancient ceremony where a penguin must find the perfect pebble to give to his future bride. And boy, did Hubie find a pebble.
Marina, is that an engagement pebble or what?
Hubie, I love it.
But Hubie's rival Drake has other plans.
Nobody's going to marry a loser like you. Now give me that pebble.
No, it's for Marina.
Now, fate has taken him to the other side of the world.
I got just 10 days to get back home before the full moon ceremony.
But with the help of a new friend,
Who's for busting out of here?
Take me with you!
they'll travel night and day.
Yeah, I give it 2 days tops, and you'll be in the belly of anything from a killer whale to a sardine.
I'm a good swimmer.
You've got "eat me" written all over you.
To try to get back to his true love.
I'm destined to marry Marina.
And they'll form a friendship
I think you're fabulous.
You have to gush like that?
that will last forever.
Look how we get along together.
Incredibly annoying.
The way we
You're like a
blend.
bone-sucking...
Feel the magic.
This is it!
Everybody knows penguins can't fly.
This is a chance of a lifetime! To fly in a plane! Yes!
Share the adventure. And come along on an incredible journey.
Here we go!
The Pebble and the Penguin.
You're either the greatest romantic hero of all time, or you're the stupidest penguin who ever lived!
With the voices of Martin Short,
Goodness glaciers!
Jim Belushi,
I'm flying!
Tim Curry,
Wake up and smell the seaweed.
and the music of Barry Manilow. The Pebble and the Penguin.
Enter another world at sea life centers. Walk underwater and see sharks, rays, and mysterious creatures close up. Feel and touch the creatures in our touch pools. It's more than just fun, it's an education. Visit one of the 16 sea life centers around the country and experience close encounters with another world.
When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified U. That means it can be seen by people of all ages, and there will be nothing unsuitable for children. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.
A few more degrees to the left. Now. Tap. No. Your other left.
Keep coming, you're almost through.